Hello, everyone. I do have some good news for CPA exam candidate. The AICPA released the first batch of multiple choice and CPA exam simulation for the 2024 exam. And I did post them on farhatlectures.com. Let me show you where you can find them and access them. Let's take a look at farhatlectures.com, and under the CPA exam, I have all the sections with all the course providers. For the sake of illustration, I'm going to be using the far backer section. All my courses follow the same format. So if you click on the course and the section that you are studying for, scroll down, and under how to use the course, there's a folder called or a lesson called AICPA FAR 2024. You click on it. Now you're going to have the TCP, the ISC, the RAG, the audit for your courses. Then you would click on the questions and the simulations. And here you can access the simulations. You can download the simulations, or you can click to take the multiple choice questions. Now, for now, I kept the questions as is. So if you start the quiz, you're going to see the question and the suggested answer by the AICPA. Now, eventually, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be preparing a video lesson for every single question and every single simulation, explaining the answer choice and telling you what is the AICPA trying to do? What is the AICPA trying to test you on? So this way you would know how to prepare. If you're not a member of farhatlectures.com, this is your opportunity to subscribe. You have a 2-day free trial. We're always here to help. Invest in yourself. Good luck and stay safe.